Our bodies are constantly exposed to harmful agents like free radicals, which can damage our DNA and lead to mutations that trigger cancer. But here's the good news: nature provides us with a variety of foods that counteract these effects. Proper nutrition doesn't just reduce cancer risk, it also restores the body's natural ability to fight diseases and maintain metabolism. Proper nutrition is a key factor in cancer prevention. Research indicates that dietary changes can prevent up to 35% of cancer-related deaths. Nutrient-rich foods, such as those high in vitamins, antioxidants, carotenoids, and flavonoids, play a significant role in maintaining metabolic balance, boosting the immune system, and inhibiting the development of cancer. Including these foods in your diet not only supports overall health but also strengthens your body's natural defenses against carcinogenesis. Now, before we jump into the list, let's be clear: there's no magic bullet for cancer prevention or treatment. However, incorporating the right products into your life can play a huge role in supporting your immune system, reducing inflammation, and neutralizing those pesky free radicals. Ready? Let's count them down. Just a friendly reminder: this video is meant for educational purposes only. If you have any medical concerns, please consult your doctor. Cancer is a complex disease influenced by genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. While no single food or product can guarantee prevention or cure, decades of research show that certain foods and products can reduce the risk of cancer, support the body during treatment, or inhibit the growth of cancerous cells. The key lies in their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting properties. Alright, let's get into it. One of the simplest and most powerful ways to take charge of your health is by incorporating anti-cancer foods into your daily diet. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research suggests curcumin can inhibit the growth of various types of cancer cells, including those in the breast, colon, prostate, and lung. It also enhances the body's ability to repair DNA and reduce inflammation, which can lower cancer risk. Studies have shown that adding turmeric to your diet, especially when combined with black pepper for better absorption, may have protective effects against cancer. Second, flaxseed. Flaxseed are rich in lignans. Flaxseed possesses potent antioxidant properties that inhibit carcinogenic processes and slow the progression of malignant prostate tumors. Clinical studies involving thousands of women with breast cancer have demonstrated that consuming flax seeds significantly enhances survival rates among cancer patients. Third, tomatoes. Tomatoes are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with natural antioxidants like alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, lutein, lycopene, and zeaxanthin. These compounds work to neutralize free radicals, which are closely linked to the development of cancer. Research from the Cancer Institute found that men who enjoyed over 10 servings of tomatoes each week reduced their risk of prostate cancer by 18%, compared to those who consumed fewer tomatoes. But the benefits don't stop there. Regularly eating tomatoes can also help guard against breast, lung, and stomach cancers. Adding more tomatoes to your meals is a simple and delicious way to support your health. Fourth, berries. Berries are a powerhouse of nutrition, loaded with vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, and natural antioxidants. The bioflavonoids found in berries activate vitamin C, a formidable adversary of cancer cells. Among all, blueberries stand out due to their high concentration of beneficial compounds that inhibit the growth of various malignant tumors. Other berries like blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries are also incredibly beneficial. Research indicates that anthocyanin, a compound found in blackberries, helps reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. Fifth, walnuts. Walnuts stand out among nuts for their cancer-preventive properties. While all nuts offer some level of protection, researchers have focused particularly on walnuts. They have discovered that walnuts contain a unique compound that can bind to estrogen receptors, which plays a crucial role in preventing breast cancer. Sixth, avocados. Avocados are more than just a delicious addition to your meals, they're a powerful ally in the fight against cancer. According to researchers at Ohio State University, avocados are rich in glutathione, a compound with incredible cancer-fighting properties. This nutrient can halt the growth of precancerous cells that lead to oral cancer, suppress the development of malignant prostate tumors, and even target leukemic cells. The best part, it does all of this while leaving healthy cells unharmed, making avocados a truly remarkable superfood. Seventh, pumpkins. Pumpkins aren't just for Halloween decorations, they're a nutritional powerhouse. The dark orange pulp of pumpkins is rich in beta-carotene and other carotenoid pigments. Beta-carotene acts as an antioxidant and can be converted into vitamin A, which plays a crucial role in cancer prevention. Eighth, green tea. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants like flavonoids and catechins, which can help prevent or slow down cancer processes. In fact, green tea has 3 times the concentration of catechins compared to black tea. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to a significantly lower risk of developing cancers of the breast, prostate, bladder, and gastrointestinal tract. 9th, garlic. Garlic is a natural cancer-fighting hero. Research shows that it helps the body eliminate harmful carcinogens, like cadmium from cigarette smoke, while boosting the activity of white blood cells that target and destroy cancer cells. Studies reveal that people who eat garlic at least twice a week lower their risk of lung cancer by 30%. Regularly including garlic in your diet, such as twice a day, can also significantly reduce the chances of developing cancers of the esophagus, stomach, and colon. Simple and flavorful, garlic is a powerful ally for your health.
10th, carrots. Carrots with their vibrant orange hue
are a treasure trove of beta-carotene. This compound is not only responsible for their color but also plays a crucial role in bolstering the immune system, potentially warding off certain types of cancer. Recent studies have shown that beta-carotene significantly reduces the risk of breast and prostate cancer. Additionally, regular consumption of carrots has been linked to a 26% decrease in the risk of stomach cancer. The 11th, beans and lentils. Research has shown that incorporating legumes like beans, lentils, and split peas into your diet can have powerful health benefits. A 6-year study of over 14,000 men in the US found that eating more of these foods significantly reduced their risk of prostate cancer. Another extensive study, involving 103,000 participants, highlighted that a high intake of legumes greatly lowered the chances of developing colon cancer. Additionally, people who ate legumes more than twice a week were found to have a significantly lower risk of pancreatic cancer. 12th, cabbage. Cabbage, along with its cousins like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower, packs a powerful punch against cancer. These veggies contain isocyanates, a substance that's toxic to cancer cells but harmless to healthy ones. Researchers from the University of Oregon and the University of Alabama found that people who ate large amounts of Brussels sprouts, 200 grams per day or more, were significantly less likely to develop cancer.
13, grapes. Grapes, especially red and purple varieties, are packed with resveratrol, a powerful compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties.
Resveratrol helps protect cells from damage and prevents them from turning cancerous. The highest concentration of this beneficial substance is found in the skin of the grape, making these vibrant varieties particularly healthful. 14, soy. Soy is a beloved staple in Chinese and Japanese cuisine, and fans of these foods can savor them with extra satisfaction. Soy contains phytoestrogens, isoflavones, and genistein, all of which offer protective benefits against hormone-dependent tumors. This includes significant protection against prostate and endometrial cancers. 15, fatty fish. Fatty fish is packed with essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin B, omega-3, and polyunsaturated fatty acids. These fatty acids help to deactivate inflammatory processes, which can prevent the formation of cancerous tumors.
Studies have shown that people who consume fresh fish regularly have a 53% lower risk of developing colorectal cancer compared to those who rarely eat fish.
Additionally, other research has found that consuming fatty fish reduces the risk of prostate cancer. In a study involving 68,000 participants, those who took fish oil supplements at least 4 times a week had a 63% lower chance of developing colon cancer. The best choices for health benefits include sea flounder, salmon, herring, sardines, and mackerel. Don't forget to share this video with someone who could benefit from this life-changing information. And hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on tips for a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching. Here's to your health and well-being. See you in the next video.